Hi, this is Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So today I'm gonna make for you scallop Alfredo. That's scallop Alfredo, which is some baked scallops. I'm gonna cook the baked scallops in the air fryer oven. That's right, in the air fryer oven. And I'm gonna cook the pasta on the stove. Okay, and then I'm gonna make the sauce, the Alfredo sauce on the stove. So what I'm gonna do for the sauce is I'm gonna make a roux. A roux is equal parts of flour and butter. It cooked down on the stove till it makes a thick paste. And then I'm gonna add the cream and the cheese and seasonings and some sour cream and thicken that up, and that's going to be my sauce. So once I make the sauce, I'm going to add the scallops to the sauce, and then I'll add the sauce to the pasta. Okay, all right, so I'm going to adjust my camera and I'll be back. Scallops. Okay, I have a pound of scallops, and I'm going to put some butter in here and seasoning, and I'm going to put it in the air fryer oven. So I'm putting some Larry's seasoning salt on it. Larry's. You see it? Okay. And some pepper. That's black pepper. And a little salt. Okay, that's sea salt. Okay? Okay. So we're gonna mix this up. Get the seasonings on all of it. And I have some melted butter. So I'm gonna pour the melted butter over the scallops. Okay. Now I'm going to put the scallops in the air fryer oven in a pan. Press time, okay, and so I want this on, I'm pressing the chicken button because I want it on the 370 temperature, and we're going to cook that for, I would say, let's go down to 15 minutes. Okay, all right, that started. In here, let me wash my hands. Okay, sorry, I'm reaching over the camera. I'll dry my hands. Okay, in the frying pan here, let me see if I can get you an angle here at the frying pan. Okay, right here. In the frying pan, I have one stick of butter melting, and I'm making a roux. A roux is flour and butter cooked together, and it will thicken up. And you use a whisk, and you keep stirring it, and you want to keep adding the flour a little at a time until it becomes a paste. Once it becomes a paste, then you don't have to add any more, okay? You want it a nice thick paste. A little more. Okay, so I would say that was about around a cup of flour. And so you get a thick paste. Okay, I want to show you the paste. So this is the paste. You see how that is? Not dropping off the spoon too easily, is it? That's what you want. That's called a roux. And that thickens sauces, soup, anything that you want thickened. Okay, so now we're going to add to the roux the rest of our ingredients. I'm going to turn that on low so that I can get all of my ingredients in there. Fettuccine is in the water. Okay, I'll show you that when I take it out. Okay, it takes pasta about 12 minutes to cook, okay? So back to the sauce. I'm gonna add some half and half cream. Half and half cream, okay? And we're gonna add some sour cream. About 2 heaping tablespoons of sour cream. And some pepper, sea salt, and we're going to add some grated Parmesan cheese. Let's put about maybe a cupful of that. We'll see how that goes. With our whisk, we're going to blend this together. As it gets thick, you want to add some sauce. So remember, I have my fire on low, okay? I added some more half and half. You want to stir it because you don't want it lumpy. Now I'm going to add some milk to our sauce. It's really, really getting thick. Okay, I'm also going to add some mozzarella cheese towards the end. So remember, we started out with a pint of half and half cream. And then I added probably, I'd say, 3 or 4 tablespoons of milk. Okay, now you want to taste this to see what's going on. Let me get rid of this. Okay, let's taste it. Need salt, big time, pepper, and I want to put a little garlic powder. And some more milk. I'm going to put about 1/4 cup of milk in here. Okay. We want to stop and look at our scallops and see what's going on with that. Okay. They're doing okay. Got 6 minutes left on the scallops. I'm going to stir my pasta. pasta's not done yet. Okay, I have some mozzarella cheese, all right? So I can get this open. Okay, I want to put about 2 handfuls of the mozzarella cheese. 1, 2. Okay? Okay. Let's mix that in. So remember, we got 15 minutes on the scallops cooking. Okay, this is a good consistency for the sauce. See that? So we just need to let it sit there a little while to melt down the mozzarella cheese. Okay, so we're gonna put the stove on 2 to get that heated up a little. Okay. Okay, now let's see what's going on with the scallops. We have, it's been cooking for 13 minutes. I'm going to take it out. And I would like to stir it up. Looking good. So you can get a visual on the scallops, okay? But it's not done yet, so we're gonna put it back in, and I wanna increase the time 5 minutes, so that would be a total of 22 minutes. So we're gonna let that cook some more. It's almost done. Okay, let's check on the pasta. Okay, now taste the pasta. Okay, the pasta's done. Here's the pasta. It's done. Okay. So I'm going to drain it off and then I'll show you. So you pour it off into a strainer. And then you add cold water over the pasta and stir it. That's to get the starch out. Okay, now Okay, the sauce is done. I want to get a big bowl. Our sauce to the pasta. How about that? Homemade Alfredo sauce. Okay. Now, I want to mix the sauce in with the pasta. Okay. Okay, so I'm back. As you can see, the power air fryer oven is going to cut off. It's saying off. I also cooked for the dinner some cornbread. Okay, I just wanted to show you that. That's going to go with the dinner. And now it has cut off. The reason why I cook the scallops in a pan instead of directly on the rack is because I wanted it as if it was baked versus fried, okay? And I wanted it in the butter to get the flavor and everything. So the time has elapsed. We're gonna take out the scallops. Oh, wow. You gotta get a look at this. Huh? Wait a minute. Great, you like that? Let me get another angle. Here we go. Is that better? Nice, huh? So we're gonna pour the broth off. Okay. And another angle at the scallops. Look at that. Baked scallops. Can you believe that? In the new way, in the power air fryer oven. Good deal. All right, we're gonna put the scallops in the pasta with the Alfredo sauce and bring it up. And there we have it. That is scallop Alfredo. How about that, huh? You like that? Try it, you'll like it. Thank you. And this is Grandma Ray. This is Grandma Ray Don't Play. And thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe and let me know if you like it or not, okay? Anything that you want me to cook or any suggestions, just give me a holler, okay? Give me a memo on that and I'll be sure to get back to you in the comment section. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.